Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So it is the day before Karva Chauth. This is ridiculous. Baby, look. Baby, come.
गए थे अपनी शादी की बार में
Alright, we're almost done with our shopping. Just need to get a few suits.
I see.
Say good morning, everyone. Good morning, everybody. Oh, where are you? Hi, baby. Say good morning. Good morning. Happy Karva Chauth Day. Alright, guys. Good morning. It is officially Karva Chauth. Today is Karva Chauth, and I wanted to vlog today. Obviously, it's one of the most important festivals here in India that we must celebrate. So yeah, I thought I'll bring you guys along to celebrate it with us and experience it with us. This is the festival that I celebrate ever since I got married. I celebrate it every year, even if I'm not in India. But it's just nice to celebrate it in India. Like, it's a different vibe. Like, you can actually feel it happening. You can actually feel. Let me check on Amara's part. As I was saying, this is the kind of festival that I celebrate every single year since I got married. And yeah, it's celebrating it in India is different than celebrating it overseas. You know, like, you've got your whole family here, the people that you know. You're just, the spirit here is it's different compared to celebrating overseas. And yeah, I am so excited to be taking you guys along. The ladies are going to be coming here to our house, and we'll celebrate it here. So it's going to be a lot of fun, I think. And I can't wait to see what the ladies are wearing today. I am currently doing my makeup. It is not finished yet. I'm going for like a natural makeup look. What? Huh? So yeah, I'm just going for like a natural makeup look. So I'm not going anywhere. We're pretty much going to be home celebrating with the other ladies. So yeah, it's gonna be so fun. For those of you who don't know what Karva Chauth is, it is a day mainly for women. You know, it's a day for women where all the ladies come together. We do like puja or like a ritual, you know, like some sort of ritual. And then we fast for the whole day until we see. So it's pretty much like a day for women dedicated to their husbands. So we fast for the whole day, and we open our fast at night once we see the moon. But yeah, I'll take you guys along with me. Obviously, Kali's not here because mainly. Usually at the end of the day or like at night time when the moon is there, women and their husbands go to where they can see the moon, and then they perform this kind of ritual where they use this round, what do you call it? Sort of like a round, sort of like a chutney, the round strainer. Looks like a strainer, you know, that thing. It's round, and then you put it on the. So you take it from your husband's face, and then you sort of bring it to the moon, and it means may your husband live last. So like, you know, like Jay and like may your husband live as long as he can. But yeah, I'll take you guys along. Obviously Kavi's not here, he's still in Australia. He'll be coming soon, which is exciting. So I think I'm gonna be doing it with his brother. I don't know, because he'll be sleeping tonight. Obviously, you know, the time difference, it's impossible for him to get up and then do video call and then perform that ritual on video call. Oh. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. So pretty, my love. Beautiful dress, baby. Samara's dress. So pretty, my love. Oh, baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do do do. Baby shark, do do. Oh. Got friends over. Oh, cute. She's got friends over now. That's nice. Red, huh? Nice suits. Ah, बढ़िया है, बहुत बढ़िया. And gotcha. Aww. Look at your dupatta. He's so cute. Aww. Show me your suit. Like one by one. Show me yours. That's nice. Yellow. We have white, yellow, red, pink.
Not white, cream. Shine cream, not white.
Acha. Cream. Acha. Cream. Nice. So we've got this lady that's going to be doing our ritual today. Puja.
Yeah. देख मेहंदी देख मेरी मेहंदी अपने दिखा मायरा हाथ कर हाथ कर ऐसे कर दिखा मेहंदी दिखा मेहंदी कर दो
Nice. Where's Shoria?
अपने माँ के साथ
इतना रोटी भी खाई चटकी की
कहाँ जहरी ऐसा लग रहा है तो कोई जहरी
Hey guys, so the lady in red is telling us a story on why we're celebrating Karva Chauth every year. So long story short, there was a queen, her name was Virabati, she was fasting strictly for her husband's long life, and so her brothers worried she was too weak, tricked her into breaking the fast early by pretending the moon had risen. Because she broke the fast incorrectly, her husband fell very ill or died in some versions. After she sincerely completed the fast properly, her husband was restored to life. So, it really teaches devotion, patience, and the power of a wife's sincere fast for her husband's well-being. May the amrut grow.
फोटो खींचेगी सारों के
कीप डिस्टेंस इसका बाप ही नहीं पड़ता ये तो पड़ी
पता नहीं होता मैंने सोचे थे ना बदल ही नहीं गया था उसको बदला चला ना मैं यहाँ बढ़ रहा उसका दौरा में तो नहीं मास्क लगा बदल तो सही हो जाएगा है ना दे दे हाँ यहाँ का डील मेरे मेरे तो आज पता नहीं दुकान मेरी पड़ी मकान नहीं है कि चूड़ियाँ नहीं है ताई जी मकान जा पर नहीं वो तो थोड़ी लग रही फिर ये हमें भी थोड़े डाल जो हमें
मम्मी
Oh yeah. Baby, we're gonna take a photo. Look. That's my girl. Baby, go dance. Go dance. 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 Go. almost 7 o'clock. Just wanted to update you guys on what's happening. There's so much that's been happening that I haven't got a chance to record, but yeah, it's almost 7 o'clock. I think we'll go upstairs outside where the moon is to continue on with the ritual that we're supposed to do, you know, the moon, as I've explained before. Oh my gosh, this always comes to the front and I always forget about it. But yeah, we've made a lot of food, which I'll be showing you in a bit. But yes, this is what I wore today, as you all saw in the video. It's pretty cute. I've chosen Punjabi for this year's Karva Chauth and my bangles. And of course, Mangalsutra and this gold necklace that I have, as well as these earrings. So yeah, it's perfect. I've got the bindi on. I always forget what this is. Anyway, yeah, we have Amaya. Baby, come, look. And yeah, that will be the last thing that we need to do, is end the day by performing that last ritual with the moon, and then we get to eat. I am so hungry right now. I cannot wait to eat, but it is, you know, the purpose of this fast and this day that we celebrated today is good. It is for a good purpose, because men, you know, our husbands, just to appreciate them for the work that they do, and may they live long, and may they serve us and protect us for as long as they could. So I hope that you all enjoyed our dance and what we did today with the other ladies. Yeah, it's amazing. It's for a good purpose. Anything that's for a good purpose is well deserved to be celebrated. So yeah, I will show you guys what we made today. So we have lassi. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I made this paneer. I made this paneer gravy today. I made it in a hurry, so, but I'm pretty sure it's good. You know, anything with cashew in it is always good. And then we've got rice. And then we also made halwa. Halwa is my favorite, you guys. Love, love, love this dish. You can have it with chai. It's so good. And then we've got chole. So chole, that is chana or chickpeas. It's so good. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering right now. Oh, baby. And then we've got puri. What happened? What happened, my love? Come, get up, get up. Get up. My gosh, Amaya got so tired after dancing so much today. And then she just fell asleep. Yeah, she loves to dance. She loves the music. I think it's in her. It's something that I think, because her dad is obviously not a dancer, he can't dance for sure. But it's something that she got from me. So yeah, the talent is continuing, you know. I feel like there's gonna be a lot of dancers in this family.
अपने बापू दिया
जाएगी
लाइट चला बापू पकड़ ले
It's 8 o'clock. Huh? It's 8 o'clock. Should we go see the moon? Should we? Let's go see the moon. Baby, let's go see the moon. Leave it. Alright, guys, so I just came outside to see if the moon is there, but there's literally no moon. What is going on? It's like almost 9 o'clock, but I just don't see a moon anywhere. I'm gonna go up there and check it out. I mean, oh, there is actually. It's on the other side. Oh, but it's like red. I don't know, like a blue moon, a red moon or something. Let's go check it out. Oh yeah, there is. I am so hungry. Cannot wait to eat. I'm so hungry, guys. Alright, so this is what I'm having. Oh, it looks so delicious. I just can't be bothered having the curry in bowls. But yeah, I've got paneer, chana, chickpeas, halwa, salad, puri. Oh, so delicious. And I've got lassi. Oh my gosh, cannot wait.